Is that tiny? It's got cars on it. You think your little brother would like to wear that? Oh. We have stuff with cars on it at home. We don't need any more car clothes. Can you give the teddy bear a hug goodbye? Why don't you give Mr. Bear a hug goodbye and then we'll go home and eat lunch? No. Okay, good hugging. It was very sweet of you. Let's go bye-bye.